Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're diving into the concept of dead zones in JavaScript. While it might sound intimidating, understanding dead zones is crucial for writing efficient and bug-free code. Let's get started. In JavaScript, a dead zone refers to a phase during the execution of your code where a variable exists but cannot be accessed. This happens due to variable hoisting, where declarations are moved to the top of their scope during compilation, but assignments stay in place. Dead zones typically occur with variables declared using let and const. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you try to access a variable before it's declared. In this case, my var is declared with let, but trying to access it before the declaration results in a reference error. This is because the declaration is hoisted, but the initialization is not, creating a dead zone. Variables declared with let and const are hoisted differently compared to var. While var is hoisted and initialized with undefined, let and const remain uninitialized during the hoisting phase, leading to dead zones. Here, using var, my var is hoisted and initialized with undefined, allowing it to be accessed before its actual assignment. However, if we rewrite the code using let or const, with let, my var is hoisted, but not initialized, resulting in a reference error when accessed before initialization. While var behaves differently compared to let and const, it can still lead to dead zone issues if not used carefully. With var, both the declaration and initialization are hoisted to the top of their scope, but the variable is initialized with undefined. In this example, my var is hoisted and initialized with undefined, so accessing it before assignment results in undefined, not a reference error. To avoid dead zones, follow these best practices. Always declare variables at the beginning of their scope to minimize the chances of encountering dead zones. Variables declared with let and const have block scope, meaning they are only accessible within the block in which they are defined. Understanding block scope helps you manage variables effectively. While var doesn't typically lead to dead zones, it has different scoping rules compared to let and const. Use var only when necessary and understand its implications. Many coding linters can identify potential dead zone issues in your code, helping you catch these errors early in the development process. By avoiding dead zones, you can prevent unexpected errors, improve code readability, enhance debugging efficiency, and facilitate better collaboration among team members. Dead zones in JavaScript can be tricky, but understanding how they occur and how to handle them is essential for writing robust code. Remember to declare variables before use and use let, const, and var appropriately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Scriptico for more coding tutorials.